morning. Just parked up in Edale car park, and today we'll be having a go at Crowden Clough. Scramble up to Kinder Scout. Not going all the way to Edale, but once we're up to Kinder Scout, we're gonna turn around and come down Greenslow Knoll, I think it is, and then make our way back to the car park. Shouldn't be too long of a route today. Conditions are very good today. A bit cloudy, nice and cool, with a slight breeze. So Crowden Clough is classed as a grade 1 scramble. It's one of the easier grade 1 scrambles. So if you're used to scrambling, and this is a good first one to pick up. Grade 1 scramble requires a bit of hands-on climbing and maintaining 3 points of contact. Yeah, and just be careful of foot placings. As you leave Edale car park, if you follow the path past the train station, then past the post office, it's signposted Pen Highway, and you keep following that all the way up to Upper Booth. That's where we're heading now, and there's a right turning just before we get there. That will then take us up to hopefully the Scramble, all the way up to Kinder Scout. As I mentioned, if you want to go to the summit of Edale, at the top take a left. There's a trig point there, but if you, like me, are not doing that today, as I've done that previously, I have to be taking a right and then coming down Greenslow Knoll. Path, come off the Pennyway and going through some forests. Some more. It's called Crowden Brook. That's what we're walking past, which makes sense now. Crowden Clough Scramble. You've got a Crowden Tower at the top. You just about you'll be following that path all the way up to the top. So far it hasn't been a difficult path at all. It's very rocky. Maybe use your hands a couple of times, but otherwise it's fairly straightforward. That bit looks like might need a bit more hands-on. I'll stick there. I'll go to hands free when I get to there. So up to now, it's it's been fairly straightforward. This first bit's where I'm having to use a bit of hands-on, but nothing too complicated. Okay, next part there. So we'll go up here, cross that ledge, I think, up there, or we could just climb up there. Assuming there's usually a waterfall here or some kind of stream coming down, but because of all the dry weather and no rain, it's bone dry. It's starting to rain a bit. It's just a bit of mist though. It's not going to stop us. Remember, 3 points of contact. Just make sure you've got your footing secured before you step off. Lionel Messi? No, these are mountain goats, not the goat. He didn't turn up to the final day, or did he? Almost there. Ew. And there we have it. Crowden Clough. Crowden Clough even. Done.